Like, look at this, it's really creepy. Wow. Hey guys, it's me and I'm back with another video, and today I will be doing a Kohl's haul, like a super mini Kohl's haul, and then I'm going to be experimenting with one of the products I got. So let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this, and it might just look like a little like plastic propeller thing, but it's actually much more. You can see the package that I brutally ripped. It says phone fan. And you might ask, what's a phone fan, even though the title pretty much explains exactly what it is? Well, you could plug it into your phone and it will spin around. And isn't that so cool, right? I had to get it. It was $8. I had to get it. I was just about to try this out on my phone, but then I realized that I'm already using my phone to film this, so let me get like a mirror or something. So you see this mirror and it looks super infinite, like it's going on forever, like you can see yourself for miles and miles and miles. Yeah, that. Well, you see the fan? It's right here. And you just plug it in. There. See, it's spinning. Isn't that so cool? And look, it's fanning. You could probably hear it. Is that some good ASMR? Like, look at that. Isn't that so cool? Look, it's blowing my hair. I don't know why I'm modeling. There's nothing for me to model except for this blouse that I wore over a year ago. It actually blows good air. I'm surprised by how well it actually works. So if you ever want to get it, it comes in multiple colors. There's like pink and blue. If there's pink, you may ask, why did I get purple? Because obviously pink is like everything. I just got purple because my phone case already has a lot of pink in it and I wanted to accentuate the purple accents. Is it my grammar? It's so beautiful. I touched my finger to the fan and it turned off. But then you just pop it. Okay, I guess that's fun. The next thing that I got was this eyeliner. It was actually only $4 because it was on sale a lot. And it is just the e.l.f. Intense Ink Blackest Black eyeliner. And I've never had liquid eyeliner before, so I thought that I would try this out. I realized that this is probably upside down. Oops. So yeah, I did get this and I am about to try it out. Let's go. Okay, so welcome to my super professional makeup setup. Today we have the e.l.f. Intense Ink Black e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner Blackest Black, and I will be doing a mini makeup tutorial even though I don't even know what I'm doing myself. So let's go. I have my mirror right here, that's why you see this, so I'm gonna put something fun right here so that you guys have something cool to look at. 1 second. There we go. Now you guys can look at my Sumiko Gurashi keychains. That's fun, right? So I'm just gonna take this out of the package. And it has nothing inside of it. Not even to tell me what to do. Okay, I guess we're just gonna go at this blind. So I'm gonna open it up and smell it to just review the smell. It has like a cap, it's like a marker, you see? It looks like a marker. It smells like nothing. So that's good. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do, I don't know why the lighting is so off, is line my eyes like I normally would. I don't normally line my eyes, so this is gonna be hard. Oh no, why did I blink? This is a new trend, guys. We're starting a new trend here. Okay, so I tried to fix it a little bit. Let's keep going. Not gonna blink this time. I need to do my eyebrows. I don't know how to do eyeliner at all. What is this? What is that? What the heck? It looks so awful. Okay, let me just do the bottom. I have come to the conclusion. I have no idea what I'm gonna do when I try eyeliner again. I don't think I'm ever gonna try eyeliner again. What the heck is this? Also, this eye looks a lot bigger than this eye. That's actually really weird. What the heck? What? Oh my god, it makes my eye look so much bigger. Wow. Okay, so in my opinion, this looks really bad so far. It's not the eyeliner's fault. It's going on really smooth. I just have no idea how to do this. It's just making my eyes look like demons. It's like they're all black and deathly. Like all my pupils and irises are even black. What the heck? It matches the eyeliner. Like, look at this. It's really creepy. Wow. Okay, anyway, now that I got the basic line done, let's try the wing. Okay, the moment of truth. Da-na-na. Can I do it? Probably not. What the heck? It doesn't even look like I... What is that? Huh? I don't know what I'm doing. Let's just make it bigger and hope for the best. I don't know what I'm doing. This does not look good at all. What the heck is that? It looks like I just stuck like a little triangle on the side of my face. I am not a beauty guru. This is why I don't make makeup tutorials. Oh, what is that? Oh. Okay, time to do the other eye, I guess. Okay, so this is what it looks like on both sides, and I think that this side is a lot shorter, so I'm gonna try to fix this side, which is not a good idea, but I'm gonna do it. So I realized if you look at it in the mirror, kind of like this. Wait, how do I get like that? It doesn't look absolutely horrible. It looks actually okay, but when you actually look at it directly through the camera, it looks really, really awful. But yeah, let me do some mascara. So hopefully mascara will help fix this look just a little bit. So let's try that out. Let's make my eyes water. Okay, so I finished that and it looks practically the same. Well, I don't know what to do, but maybe just getting out of this awkward lighting will make it better, I guess. So this is what it looks like, I guess. I don't know. I think that the eyeliner works well. I just think I don't work well. Okay, it also looks better when I face directly towards the sunlight. Actually, it's not too horrible. It's just pretty bad, but not too horrible. Also, I still like how it looks best in this mirror. I don't know, I feel like it makes my skin look very, very white. It looks like I was painted with some white acrylic paint. I don't know. Okay, so I recently have a new favorite YouTuber. Her name is Boyoung and her channel name is Bubbly, and she uses this song in her outro, so I wanted to use it too. Let's go. Okay, so here we go. Here's my face. Click subscribe. Here's another video, and here's another video. You should watch both of them. They're good.